fool. We losing the streets, man.
Nah, we just standing by our principles, homie.
But our principles are making us bitches, man. Everyday ballers get stronger, and you and I get weaker. You and I get poorer, man.
Man, that shit'll blow over.
Oh,
it always does. Man, I thought we was in this for the hood. Not destroying the family, man. It's Grove Street, nigga.
Talking to hold it.
Rolling down.
You heard from CJ lately?
We ain't speaking. He got his own life, more than he deserved.
Brian did what? 5 years now?
Yeah, CJ had 5 years when he should have been dead. Man, I lost two brothers, man. One got killed, and one showed himself. Perpetrating ass.
You real gangster, man, but you gotta lighten up. See, CJ,
CJ running around like a fool on the East Coast. He can rot here for all I give a fuck.
The way I see it, man, I need to be in charge of my destiny, homie.
This way you will be, homie. This is all about destiny. You know I got your back, right, homie?
Cool. How my shit look, fool?
Yeah, it's cool. Now, the way I see it is that we don't have a choice. Ain't nothing to feel bad about. You put a gun to a brother's head, brother's gonna do what he's told. No matter if he's a fool or a wise man. You don't want a bullet in the brain. But if you can make it work and make some Benjamins while you at it, then that's cool.
It's gonna take more than a bullet in the head to stop me.
I don't doubt that, homie.
Hey, let me hit some of that, homie.
For sure, homie.
Man, what's this cess bullshit? Man, you ain't got nothing real to smoke?
Hey, that ain't cess, homie. That's that hydro.
Man, whatever.
Man, you sure about this thing?
Man, I'm telling you, dude. Grove Street's going to shit, man. They done.
But we copping off one of they OGs, man. You sure this is cool? Or this some kind of trap?
Ain't cool, man. And if anyone tries shit, we blast them.
For sure.
Man, Grove Street ain't even no real gang no more, homie. They perpetrators. Now they even know. Shit changes.
CJ, it's your brother.
Okay, what you want?
I think you better come home. It's about Mama. She's dead, bro.